Now we are going to talk about the second methods, that is staircase methods. So during the tournaments we can make the fixtures in a staircase method also. In the staircase method, the fixtures are made just like a ladder or a staircase. This method is the easiest methods because no buy is given to the any teams and there is a no problem of the odd and even number of the teams. So you can see in this slides we have taken the example for the 7 teams. So if there is a 7 teams, then the number of the round will be the 6. So you can see, you can count the 6 ladders are there. You can see the first one, the first team has played with the second, first has played with the third, first has played with the fourth, first has played with the 5, first has played with the 6, and first has played with the 7. The same way they have played the match. So it is a very easy methods to fix the matches in the staircase methods. Now we will move to the second topic. Now after the match, the most important things, who is the winner and who is the loser. So we are going to discuss about the method of deciding the winner in the league tournaments. So with the point systems, we can decide the winner of the tournament and the loser of the tournaments. You can see in the slide the point system. The winner of the match is equal to 2 points. That means the team who won the match will be obtained as a 2 points. They will get the 2-point score. Loser of the match will be the 0 point and the draw is 1 point. Suppose that the match is draw in between the two teams, then both the team will get the 1 each points. The team having the maximum point is declared as a winner. It is very simple. In the league tournaments, the teams are going to play the 3, 4, 5 matches, and the team who won the maximum match, they will score maximum point. So the team who won the maximum match is declared as a winner or declared as a champion of the tournament. If there is a tie between the two teams, their matches is held again. Suppose that sometimes what happens during the match, the match become tie. In that condition, it is going to become again. It is going to be held again, or extra time has given to conduct the tournament, so that the point has to be given to the loser or winner. Now, method of deciding the winner in the league tournaments. There is two types of methods to decide the points or winner or runner in the league tournament. The first one is British methods. So the first point is divide the total points obtained by the total possible points. Now point 2, the percentage of points, the total points obtained divided by 100 by the percentage of the points, the total points obtained by total possible points divided by multiply by 100. In the second types of methods, that is called American method. Divide the numbers of the games won by the total number of the games played, or percentage. Matches won by matches played multiply by 100. You can see in the next slides the same methods we are going to discuss. British methods, examples. Suppose that we have taken the 8 matches in the tournament and the 6 is won and the 2 remaining draws. And what happens? The percentage of the point will be, the total point is 12. That means 6 match they have won. So each match they gets the 2 points. So 12 points, then 2 remaining draw. That means in each draw match they gets 1 points. That means the 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. That means total point they have scored 14 and possible point is 16. That means there is a 8 match if possible point is 16. So you can see in the percentage of the points, the total points obtained by total possible points multiplied by 100. So percentage of the point will be, if he has won the 6 matches, that means 12 points plus 2, that means 14 by 16 multiplied by 100 is equal to 87.5 percentage are there. Now the second method is the American systems, American methods we can say. The same examples we have taken. The 8 game in the tournament, the 5 wins. The percentage of the point is equal to the matches won by matches played multiplied by 100. So percentage of the point will be the 5 by 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 62.5. So this is the way we can see the winners and the runners point systems. So it is very necessary in the league tournaments to know about the point systems. Through the point systems only we can able to decide the winners and the loser in the tournaments. Thank you.